If you know how to use spreadsheet application like Excel, you know how to build a web application. I will show you exactly how using a Ragic builder. Here's what the Ragic builder application looks like. It looks like a spreadsheet and it behaves like a spreadsheet, except it's much more powerful. Entering data is simple and straightforward, just like on spreadsheet. But if you ask 100 people if he would like to enter lots of customer data on Excel or web browser form, I bet 99 of them will want to do it on spreadsheet because it's so much faster and more convenient. However, we didn't just stop here. Here we have some customer data entered. We can go to its listing and see all the entries. We can even do query, for example, list the customers that we're still contacting. And we can design the system to drill down to any number of forms we like without worrying about any of the data entity relationships at all. Is it hard to build something like this? Absolutely not. We have a short macro to show you how to build this customer entry form in seconds. As you can see, building an application is just like building spreadsheet form, if not easier. Just enter the fields like you would like to create, and if you put the fields next to each other, we make it a table to contain multiple entries. We have lots of properties you can set to each cell. Some fields you would like to assign a list of value to it. You can assign them here at the designer, or in the Excel form anytime. We can create auto-generated fields. You can change the cell width and height by dragging them. When you're done, save it, and they'll be ready to use. Of course, Ragic Builder is not just another more convenient, more flexible, multiple-level form designer. All of the data between the forms are linked, so I can pick a company that we entered, and voila, the company address and phone that we just entered. We can even have the list of contact person to choose from. We can pick the product category and product to see its price defaulted to us. Like I said, most of the functions of a full-blown application, and all of these functions can be configured using our simple designer that we just introduced. What if you don't want your website to look like spreadsheet? What if you're a web design company who knows web art, HTML, CSS, but not familiar with the PHP, JSP? Not a problem. We have this developer platform where you can design a website by static, simple HTML. You can simply put it on your web server and add a JavaScript provided by us. Mark where each dynamic data field goes in using the HTML ID attribute. And your static HTML page just turned dynamic. It's fetching data from our Ragic server. We will automatically create this Ragic control panel to handle page changes. And links will be resolved automatically too. Users can update their data on the spreadsheet form on our Ragic servers. Well, that's it for our sneak preview of our Ragic builder. Lots of work are still in progress. If you're interested, drop me a mail. Thanks!